program got me into the HVAC field, becoming a technician. It helped me prepare a better career for my future. Got back with my Apex alumni. They had a program in partnership with PSE&G, HVAC and weatherization technician program. I chose to take this path. It was more hands-on. It's a 16-week course to help me with my training out in the field, which helped me get a better understanding of the way a unit works. So with those skills, I was able to troubleshoot a system. I was able to wire up a system to get it running at a fresh start on a new install. I had knowledge of what I was doing out in the field, what tools I would be using out in the field that would be useful for me to do the job at hand.
Being able to join this program, I was able to score a full-time position, but also continue my academic at Rowan University. When thinking about my future, a good career looked like being able to help the environment, but also being able to help people.
With this program, it definitely helped me to put my head down and just do the work. A lot of what this program is about is being able to adapt to certain things you learn from certain traits that they teach you. And a lot of those traits is professionalism, is working hard and doing the things you need to do in an actual work field. So the preparation that we gained from it really helped me to not only take it for this program and also apply to this program, but apply it to my career as well.
Congratulations. Today means that you trusted the process with Apex enough to begin, and you stayed committed long enough to finish. You don't need everything mapped out. You don't need all the answers. You don't need to be fearless. What you need is these three things: willing to show up, willing to learn, willing to stay steady even when things feel uncomfortable.